Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Collins. I'm back with another phonics video. And just like always, we're going to start with our vowel sounds. So, short sound for A. I as in apple, long sound for A as in the letter's name. Short sound for E. As in edge, long sound for E as in the letter's name. Short sound for I. E as in itch, long sound for I as in letter's name. Short sound for O. As in octopus, long sound for O as in letter's name. And short sound for U. As in up, and long sound for U as in letter's name. Perfect job. Now, I really want us to focus in on the U sound. We're going to be listening for the long and the short U sound in these words that I'm about to stretch, okay? So listen closely. First word. Stomp. What's the vowel sound you heard? And is it as in up or U as in the letter's name? As in up, so that means that it is short. Perfect. Next one. Fuse. Fuse. Good. What is the sound that you heard with the letter? Fuse. Good. All right, so is it a long U or a short U? Long. Good, because it says U as in letter's name. Next one. J. Good. Smudge. Good. What's the vowel sound you hear? As in up. Is it long or short? Short, because it says as in up. Next one. Crust. Good. Vowel sound. Long or short? Short. It says as in up. And last one. V. Good. Vowel sound. U. Is it long or short? Long. Good, because it says U as in letter's name. Perfect job, y'all. All right, so now let's move on into our next concept. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about blends, and more specifically, we're going to be talking about final blends. So, what is a blend? A blend is two consonants right next to each other, and you hear each sound. Perfect job. And if it's a final blend, where is it on the word? You got it, at the end. So let's look at a few of the blends that we've talked about, okay? So this first one, what does it say? Good. What about this one? What does it say? Good. What about this one? What does it say? Good. And what about this one? St. And what does it say? St. And I have a dot here because this can also be an initial blend. And we'll talk about that in the next video, okay? So, st. Good. Now, we're going to look at some words, and I want you to find and identify the final blends in them. All right, so our first word is fast. Let's stretch it. Fast. Good. Where's the final blend? Here. Good. And it's st. What's the word? Fast. Good. All right, next word. I'm not going to tell you the word, but first I want you to identify the final blend. That's it. Sk. Good. Sk. And now let's stretch it. Ask. What's the word? Mask. Mask. Good. All right, our very next one. Let's find the final blend. Here it is here. Let's say the sounds. Nd. Nd. Good. Now let's say all the sounds in this word. S. A. Nd. Let's say the word. Sand. Sand. Good. Oh, this one's a little tricky. We see something in this word that we've talked about already. What is it? You got it. Digraph. And SH is a digraph. And we know that one says what? Shh. Good. Now let's find the final blend. Ft, ft. Good. So let's say the sounds. Sh. I. Ft. Shift. Shift. Perfect. All right, let's go to another one. Yeah, they're getting challenging. Let's do this one. Another what? Digraph. Final blend. What's this word? Thump. Thump. Perfect. All right. Another challenge. CH. What does that digraph say? Ch. Now let's find the final blend. Good. Ch. I. Ch. Imp. Chimp. Perfect. All right, and last word, a digraph. Shh. Now let's find that final blend. Nt. Nt. Shh. Nt. Let's say it. Shunt. Shunt. Perfect job. I am so very proud of you. I know that those were a little challenging, but guess what? I know you can do it. In the next video that we do, we're going to talk about blends that come at the beginning of the word. So until next time, bye.